Most business owners treat their annual strategy like a sacred document. They spend days planning the year ahead, print the plan, stick it in a drawer, and then wonder why everything feels disconnected 6 months later. The problem isn't the plan. The problem is assuming the market, your customers, your team, and your business will stay exactly the same all year. In today's environment, that simply isn't reality. If you're only reviewing your strategy once a year, you're not leading your business. You're hoping everything works out, and hope is not a strategy. When you don't run a structured quarterly review, your business experiences what we call strategic drift. Everyone starts the year aligned, then sales starts chasing different opportunities, operations adapts to immediate pressures, new ideas appear, priorities shift, and before you know it, the business is busy but no longer moving in the same direction. The result of this? Lower profits, wasted effort, confused teams, and slower growth. We're CH4B, Central Hub for Business. We're a human-powered growth ecosystem helping SME owners build profitable, secure, and fulfilling businesses. Today, we're looking at one of the most important habits in sustainable growth, the structured quarterly strategic review. Because businesses that evolve regularly outperform businesses that simply react. At CH4B, we encourage members to complete a structured quarterly reset built around 3 questions. Question 1, what's changed? What has changed in your market, your team, your customers, or your business since the last review? The faster you identify changes, the faster you can respond. Question 2, what's working? Most business owners spend too much time focusing on problems. High-performing leaders identify what's generating results and double down on it. Question 3, what's next? Look at your goals, your plan, and your priorities. What are the critical actions that will create the biggest impact over the next 90 days? This is exactly why our business growth blueprint focuses on goals, planning, action, metrics, and continuous improvement. Growth isn't achieved through one annual planning day. It's achieved through regular adjustment and execution. Is your business set up to grow or stuck in survival mode? Take the 3-minute growth scorecard and find out. It's 12 simple questions, an instant personalized growth report, and it pinpoints blind spots across 12 proven principles. Discover where you're leaking profit, time, or opportunity. Get tailored next steps to cut costs and grow faster. Click the link in the description to take it right now, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.